Meaning of Delaware.
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 Delaware. Delaware is a state located in the mid-Atlantic region of the United States. The name Delaware comes from Thomas West, 3rd Baron de la Warre, an English nobleman and Virginia's first colonial governor. The state's official nickname is the First State, because it was the first of the 13 original colonies to ratify the U.S. Constitution. Delaware is known for its tax-free shopping, beaches, and famous historical landmarks such as the Grand Opera House and the Brandywine Battlefield. It is also home to several major corporations due to its business-friendly environment.